In this video, I'll show you how to easily change the color or tint of all app icons on your iPhone running iOS 18. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's get started. First, long press any app icon on your home screen. It doesn't matter which one. Just hold down on any app, then select Edit Home Screen. Next, tap Edit in the top left corner and choose Customize. Here you'll see option to switch between different color modes like lights, dark, automatic and tinted. By selecting tinted, you can pick a color or apply as a tint across all app icons. Drag the slider to adjust the tint color you want and use the second slider to set the saturation level for that color. Once you're satisfied with the look, just tap outside the menu to save the change. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button.